MRG Hackers, it's the Echo Squad, and today we have another war from a while back in my old house, and I'm using my friend's L96, and so yeah. What? It's right outside the door.
Well, I have a machine gun and he has a sniper, so technically we are. Or I am.
I'm pretty sure I just got before him. They shooting. They shoot every single thing in here. Okay, so we're basically like waiting for them to like pull a move on us. This is a really unfair match because he has a machine gun and we're in a treehouse with only 2 entrances, or unless we shoot through the windows. So they really had no chances. They were just kind of formed. Okay, so right now we're deciding to rather throw a smoke bomb or not, and there's Garrett right there.
Who's there? Oh, I love ice cream.
Go, pull, just pull it. Go. Smoke's gonna come in here. Alright, just put a blanket. There we go. I'm out of CO2, are you kidding me? Shit, I'm out of CO2. Where's your Glock?
There's no gas.
Shoot! What else did I have to go snipe for? It's still going on. What if it catches a fire down there?
Oh, whoa.
Is that close?
Yeah, it was real close there.
Oh shoot, they're coming in the door. Okay. So we thought they were coming to the door right then, but they were just BB shooting the door, so yeah. Throw us out there.
No, we need that.
Yeah. Are you using a pistol?
I don't know. Do you have any left?
Grenade! Not that bad, shut up. Ready? I'll open it and split it. So all the fumes from the smoke grenade were coming back in there. That's why he was coughing. Let me make sure I'm just trying to get it. Make sure I'm just trying to get it. Ready? Move your gun barrel. Move your gun barrel.
Shut it. I can't.
This is great.
Way more of that.
CO2 pistols. So right now, we are basically like getting attacked from the bottom, and they're sneaking up the top, like the balcony outside the door. So they don't have any ammo. They don't have any ammo. No, they don't. Ready? So now I went up to the top, and I'm basically just like shooting from the top. Or not yet. You're not. You're not. Never mind, it's fine. Alright, hold this.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
Are you hit? So right now they're attacking from all four sides, and we're really confused. We don't know where to go and know what to do. Have the ladder. Hell, I'm hit! Guys, I'm hit, guys. Dude, I'm hit, guys. That is it today, guys. Please, like, comment, and subscribe. We need your help. We're coming on 60, 70 subscribers. So, yeah.